Hi there, my name is Cindy Mendez and my classmate is Lily Lopez, and for this video we will explain you the dental fricative sounds or the TH sounds. Okay, I'll start with the voiceless dental fricative, which is represented by this symbol in the International Phonetic Alphabet. This is the Greek letter theta, and it sounds as in the words think, thing, or throw. The voiceless dental fricatives are often called interdental. Why? Because they are often produced with the tone between the upper and lower teeth, and not just against the back of the upper and lower teeth as they are with other dental consonants. So, to produce correctly this sound, you need to rest your top teeth on your tongue and then force air out between your teeth. Okay, this is a type of consonantal sound used in some spoken languages, and it is familiar to English speakers as the TH, as I said before. Okay, you can note this sound in words such as three, with this TH sounds at the start, something with the TH sound at the middle, in the middle, or month with the TH sound at the end. Okay, now let's continue with the next dental fricative sound.
I'm Lily and I'm going to explain the voice dental fricative. It is a consonant sound used in some spoken language. It is familiar to English speaker as the sound in father. This symbol in the International Phonetic Alphabet is th, and was taken from the Old English and Icelandic letter, which could stand for either a voice or an voice. Interdental non-sibilant fricative. Such fricatives are often called interdental because they are often produced with the tongue between upper and lower teeth. To produce this sound, place your tongue between your top and bottom of the teeth, for example, and push the air out. This sound is voice, and you produce it with your throat. For example, that, together, otherwise, and mother. Thank you.